Hello, dear students. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. Myself Diksha Rai. This is a subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So, dear student, in your previous class and in your previous video, I have already explained about a computer and what is the differences between humans and computer, parts of a computer and types of a computer. So dear student, in this video, now we are going to read about your new chapter, chapter number 3, that is more on keyboard and mouse. More on keyboard and mouse. So dear student, in this chapter, first of all, we will learn about keyboard and mouse. But before I start this chapter, I have some important notes about for you about computer and its related part. So dear student, as you know very well, a computer is a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine and that accepts data input processes that data using programs outputs that processed data as information. Computers can be connected together to form of networks. A computer has two main components. How many components? A computer has two main components. Number first is hardware. The spelling of hardware is HARDWARE. And number second is software. The spelling of software is SOFTWARE. Computers are now a fact of life. Computers are now a facts of life. So dear students, actually I want to ask you something. Do you know that who invented the computer? Do you know that who invented computer? So dear students, as you know very well, I have already talked about this, that English mathematician and inventor Charles Babbage invented the computer. English mathematician Charles Babbage invented the computer. So dear student, now as you know very well that do you know that what is importance of computer? What is importance of computer in your life? Computers are now facts of life. Computers have created a very effective information system to help streamline the management of an organization. This makes it a much needed tool for every business, banking, government, entertainment, daily life, industry, education and administration. So dear student, do you know that what is importance of computer? I am going to again revise this topic, that computers are now fact of life. Computers have created a very effective information system to help streamline the management of an organization. This makes it a much needed tool for every business, banking, government, entertainment, daily life, industry, education and administration. So dear students, a computer is a smart machine, as you know very well, that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic, logical operation automatically. Modern computers can perform generic of operations known as programs. So dear student, as you know very well, Charles Babbage, an English mechanical engineer and polymath, originated the concept of a programmable computer. So dear student, as you know very well, today I am going to start our new chapter, chapter number 3, that is more on keyboard and mouse. So dear student, before we start this chapter, first of all, we will learn about keyboard. What will we do? First of all, we will get to read this chapter. So you have to pay attention and listen carefully. How am I pronunciation this chapter? So dear student, first of all, we will learn about keyboard. As you know very well, a keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to type words and numbers on a computer. I am going to again revise this topic, that is keyboard. What is this? That is keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to type words and number on a computer. So dear student, from this chapter, your next topic, we will learn about mouse. What will we do? First of all, we will learn about mouse from your previous chapter. A mouse helps to a mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. A mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. A computer mouse has two buttons. How many buttons in mouse? A computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. So dear student, now we are going to start our new chapter, and from the chapter, keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instructions into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. These keys are used to type letters, word numbers, punctuation marks, or any symbol on the monitor. You can also give commands to a computer and play games using a keyboard. So dear student, as you know very well, a keyboard has 104 keys. A keyboard has 104 keys. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instructions into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. These keys are used to type letters, words, numbers, punctuations, marks, or any symbol on the monitor. You can also give commands to a computer and play games using a keyboard. So dear student, now we are going to read about information box. Information box. Sir Christopher Latham Scholes invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. Sir Christopher Latham Scholes invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. So now from your chapter, your second topic is keys on a keyboard. What is it? That is keys on a keyboard. The first six letters of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. That is why a keyboard is also known as QWERTY. QWERTY keyboard. The keys on a keyboard are used to perform different actions. So dear student, have you seen keyboard? Have you seen keyboard? I think yes, all of you have seen keyboard. The first six letters of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. That is why a keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. The keys on a keyboard are used to perform different actions. So from the chapter, now we are going to read about alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a letter. So dear student, as you know very well, there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard A to Z. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences on the computer. Alphabet keys. Your topic is alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard A to Z. These keys are used to type letters, words and sentences on the computer. So dear students, I hope you will understand this chapter very well. Please turn over the page number 24. And now we are going to read about number key. Now we are going to read about number keys. Number keys include all the digits from 0 to 9. Number keys include all the digits from 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number. These keys are used to enter number. These keys are 10 in number. These keys are used to enter numbers. There are two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. One set is present right above the top row of the alphabet key. The other set of number keys is present on the right hand side of the keyboard. This group of number key is also known as numeric keyboard. From on your page, figure number 3.1, numeric keypad. It is the picture of numeric keypad. Note. Now we are going to read note. In laptops, number keys are present only at one place. Example, above the top row of alphabetical keys. So dear student, now we are going to read about special key. Your topic is special key. From your chapter, before start this topic, first of all, we will learn some important topic from your previous class about special keys. Special keys are used to, number first is give commands. Number second is move from the one position to another. Number third is play games. Number four is change the functions of other keys. So dear student, now you have learned about enter, delete and backspace keys in the previous class. So now we are going to again revise about special keys from your previous class. Special keys are used to give commands, move from one position to another, play games and change the function of other keys. Now we are going to read this topic from the chapter. Enter key. Enter key. Pressing the enter key moves the cursor to the next line. The key is also to send instructions and commands to the computer. Now we are going to read about spacebar key. Before start this topic from the chapter, first of all we will learn this topic from your previous class. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Pressing the spacebar key once gives a single empty space. You can give empty space between text, letters, words and number. Now we are going to read this topic from the chapter. It is used to give a blank space between letters, words or number. It is the longest key on a keyboard. Now we are going to read about shift key. Your topic is shift key. This key is also always used in combination with other keys. It appears twice on a keyboard. The shift key is always used to. Number A is type alphabet in capital. It caps lock key is off. If caps lock key is off. Now we are going to read about caps lock. I have some important notes about caps lock. It is used to type letters in capital. Caps lock key is used to type letters in capital. To use the caps lock key, press it once. The light on the caps lock turns on. Any alphabet that you type appears in capital on the monitor. For example, If you type computer, it will appear as capital C, capital O, capital M, capital P, capital U, capital T and E and R. So dear student, now we are going number B. Number B is type symbol and punctuation marks. Printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. So dear student, now we are going to read about control key. Like a shift key, control key is also used with other keys. It is used to give commands to a computer. Number second, backspace key. This key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. Delete key. It erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. So dear student, we will learn this chapter in your next class video. I hope you will understand this chapter very well, and now I am going to giving you a home assignment that you will learn this chapter and make a short notes about special key, spacebar key and caps lock key. I hope you will be fine at your home. Be careful and put the mask on your face and sanitize your hand always. So be careful, take care, have a great day.